Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, thank you so much. I always appreciate all the support you give me. Appreciate all the views. Just appreciate all of y'all. I just went to the mailbox and the post office and mailed off that case knife I'll be giving away. I sent it in the case. They agreed to repair it. They're gonna be sending it back. Once it gets back, I'm gonna be giving that knife away. But anyway, I shipped it off. And I checked my post office box, and look what was in there. Somebody done sent me, it feels like 2 knives. We're going to see what they are right now. But I just want to thank all you guys that just send me knives. Thank y'all so much. I got a note here. I got 2 little knives. I'm going to read the note first. Thank y'all so much, guys. Again, from the bottom of my heart, this just is overwhelming to me. Thank y'all. Dear sir, please accept these 2 knives as gifts. I have very much enjoyed your content, and I also want to thank you for your service to our country. I just want to pause right there for a minute. Thank you so much for that. I appreciate that very much. I know both of these knives still have life left in them, but they are beyond my skill in repairing. I especially love the work you do in replacing scales with deer antler. These are some of my favorites. Here's hoping these knives can bring you and others some joy. Kelly Peters, I believe it is. I hope I'm saying that name right. Kelly, I appreciate that so much. So much. And I will cherish these knives forever. Thank you again. And it's just overwhelming to me that y'all think enough of me to gift me knives. It's just... I love knives, and I appreciate all of y'all for sending me the knives to repair and just do videos on. Thank y'all so much. All right, let's see what we have. I'm kind of feels like Christmas. It really does. See what the first one is. Whoa. It's like a case. Is it a case? It looks like a case. It looks like a case. It is a case. Case double X. That is in the 80s. Let's count these dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 10 dot. This is a 1980. And you know what? I have a peanut that might have that blade right there. I think I do. Hang on a minute. Guess what, guys? Peanut, right? Peanut. Look, it's got a broken main blade. But guess what it's got in it? It's got a blade that should fit that. How about that? See, it's got that broken blade right there. This is going to be a fun little project. See that right there? How about that? This is exactly why you buy old knives like this. I was either waiting on one that had a good blade, broken spring, I was going to replace this blade in. But now, I'm going to take this blade out. Man, see? I've got goosebumps. I got goosebumps, y'all. I'm going to take this blade out and put it here. This has bone handles in it. And that's the only thing that's wrong with this knife is a broke blade. And see, you can take that little pin out right there. This is going to be a quick, easy repair. And it's going to be a beautiful knife. Look at that main blade, how good it is. Man, 1980, bone handle. Yes, sir. We're doing this one real quick like. Golly, I got goosebumps, y'all. Oh, my God, I'm shaking. Man, that's awesome. Thank you so much. Oh, man, look here. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Let's see. It's hard to say. Let's just see what it is. A queen. Look at there. How about that? See, I'm not too familiar with queens. But that's a queen. Queen Stockman. See, all it needs is a handle put over there. I might try to buy me some yellow composition and replace that. with like kindness, or I could do deer stag. I might do that too. But this knife's in great shape. The blades look really good. See that blade? Man, a queen. Queens are very well made knives too. See that blade? It ain't hurt a bit. Just needs to be polished up. Kelly, thank you so much for these knives. I will cherish these things. Keep them in my collection. Yes, thank you, thank you, thank you. I love both of these knives. But this right here is going to be a fun little project, fast project, and we'll do this one next week sometime. Again, a peanut case, 1980, bone handle. Okay, and then you got this one here. I still have the shield. See, I don't think this one had a shield. But we're going to replace that blade. We're going to take this blade out of this one, clean it up, and put it over here in this one. Kelly, thank you again so much. You have brought me so much joy today. You've made my weekend. Man, that's so nice. So nice of you. Again, guys, I'm just overwhelmed by the generosity of y'all. Y'all are the best. Thank you, Kelly, so much for these knives. I truly would cherish these knives forever. They'll be in my collection forever. And I can't wait to get to that peanut next week. But again, guys, thank y'all so much. Y'all are the best. I just am overwhelmed with joy right now. It's like Christmas, I swear. Thank y'all so much. And I want to say God bless y'all. And until we meet again, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.